Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Look around you for a moment. Everything you see, your body, the earth, the sky, the stars at night, all of it feels real and complete. But what if I tell you that this visible world is only a tiny fraction of what actually exists in the universe? Scientists have discovered something shocking. Almost the entire universe is made of something we cannot see at all. It does not shine, it does not reflect light, and it does not behave like normal matter. This hidden part is what truly controls the universe. To understand this, imagine the universe like a giant iceberg floating in the ocean. The part above the water looks big, but most of the iceberg is hidden below the surface. In the same way, everything we see in space is just the visible tip, while the majority remains invisible. The stars, planets, and galaxies that we admire are only a small portion, while the rest is made of unknown components that scientists are still trying to understand. One of these hidden components is known as dark matter. Even though we cannot see it, dark matter has mass, which means it creates gravity. Scientists noticed something strange when they studied galaxies. The outer parts of galaxies were moving much faster than expected. According to normal physics, those galaxies should have broken apart long ago. But they did not. This means there must be some invisible matter holding them together. That invisible force is dark matter, silently shaping the structure of the universe. The second and even more powerful component is called dark energy. While dark matter pulls things together, dark energy does the opposite. It pushes everything apart. Scientists discovered that the universe is not just expanding, but expanding faster over time. This was completely unexpected. Something is driving galaxies away from each other with increasing speed, and that unknown force is dark energy. It fills space itself and works on the largest scale possible. What makes this even more mysterious is that we still do not know what dark matter and dark energy are made of. They're not like anything we have ever seen or tested on Earth. Scientists can only observe their effects, like shadows, without seeing the object that creates them. This makes studying them one of the hardest challenges in science today. Many experiments are trying to detect dark matter directly, but so far, it remains hidden. Another surprising idea is that this invisible universe might be everywhere, even passing through us right now. Dark matter could be moving through your body without you ever noticing it. It does not interact with normal matter in a strong way, which is why it is so difficult to detect. This means we are living inside a universe that is mostly unseen, surrounded by forces we barely understand. In the end, the fact that most of the universe is invisible changes everything we thought we knew about reality. It shows that what we see is only a small part of a much larger and deeper truth. The universe is not just big, it is filled with hidden layers that we are only beginning to explore. This mystery reminds us that there is still so much left to discover, and the journey of understanding space is far from over. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing and mysterious content.